going on here? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. And what I want to talk about in this video is, listen please, the secrets to learning faster, okay? I'm going to teach you in under 5 minutes how to perfect any skill, whatever you want to do. It can be in business, it can be with sports, artists, it doesn't matter. These are techniques that I've used to build several companies outside of my competency, okay? And if you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley Virgin, and I am a multi-millionaire. I own several digital marketing companies. But what I want to do for you, okay, I want to show you how to learn any skill faster. But to learn that, the first thing you have to do is this. Please write this down, okay? You have to understand how the learning process works, okay? Now listen, this information is taken from my last product here that's helping a bunch of people right now. It's called the Genie Script, okay? I'll leave a link below. You can check that out later. But many people, they struggle in business because even in business, you have to learn a skill. Many people, they struggle as an athlete because you have to learn a skill, right? Anything that you're trying to perfect in life, you have to have this innate ability to understand how the learning process works. So what I'm going to do here, can you guys hear me? Smash the like button if you can hear me properly here, okay? Let me give you the 4 steps of learning. Write that down on a sheet of paper, please, okay? Remember something, whenever you're listening to someone that has the lifestyle that you want or making the type of money that you want to earn in life, write it down, okay? Listen, the 4 steps of learning, write that down. Step number 1, unconscious incompetence. You don't know what you don't know. Like many of you that watch my videos here or my content online, you all want to be rich, you want to be successful, you want to be multi-millionaires, you want to run on the beach, but naked, sipping mojitos and wines, basically being free, and I get it. But understand something about you right now, and I'm talking to you directly. It is something on the universe that you don't know that's not giving you the result. Does that make sense? So understand, that's the first step of learning, which I explain in detail in the Genie Script here. I'll leave that link below, but here's the second step here, okay? Listen up. Conscious incompetence, okay? Conscious incompetence, write that down below. This was the life changer for me, okay? This took me from the poorhouse to the penthouse, literally. Listen, conscious incompetence means that now you are aware of what you don't know. Many of you, you're working in your business, maybe internet marketing, network marketing, or maybe a conventional business. But now you are aware there are certain things in life that you don't know. Does that make sense? That means maybe if you see a guy like me, right? You didn't know, like I'm a young black kid from Houston, Texas, from the south side of Houston, Texas. And before you saw me or got involved with me, you didn't think you could be rich. You didn't think a guy or a girl like you can be successful. But when you saw a young black man succeeding, I'm not selling drugs, I'm not doing anything wrong, nothing negative. Everything that I'm doing is positive, and actually it's contributing to the world, and I'm making millions of dollars. Now you are aware of what you didn't know. Does that make sense? Okay? Now listen here. Smash the like button if you're getting this here. Okay? Focus, guys. Step number 3, okay, is conscious competence, okay? That's where a lot of you are right now. Conscious competence is when you're in the process and you're trying to figure out how to get the result. This is called trial and error, right? You're trying it, you're failing. You're trying it, you're failing. How many of you are in conscious competence right now? Okay? Comment below, please. Many of you, you're saying, Wesley, I'm working towards the result, but it's not working. Listen, it is working, but you have to go through conscious competence over and over again until you get the result. And the last step is this, and this is where you want to be, and this is where I am in my business and in life, because I'm making millions of dollars and I'm happy, I'm grateful, And I'm excited to help you now. Listen, it is unconscious incompetence. I'm sorry, it's unconscious competence. That's when you do everything automatically. And let me give you an example. How many of you have ever been a little 2-year-old child? I want you to go back right now. Remember you was that little girl or that little boy, right? And your mama, she used to tie your shoes for you. You remember that? She would tie your shoes. Now, you had no clue. Now, listen, you had no clue that you needed to tie your own shoes, right? Because mama did it for you, right? She did everything for you. So she tied your shoes for you. But one day, mom says, hey, you need to tie your shoes. See? Now, listen, unconscious incompetence, you didn't know what you didn't know. You didn't know that you had to tie your shoes. You thought that mom and dad was going to do it for the rest of your life. Does that make sense? Smash the like button, okay? 2, now mom said, no, you have to tie your shoe. So now you are aware that you must do this, okay? This is the learning process, okay? They've never been taught like this before. And that's why so many people are failing and quitting with the things that they're doing, because they're not looking at this process in a very intellectual way, okay? You're just emotional. You just get pissed off when something's not working, right? Go ahead and nod your head. All right, so listen. Conscious incompetence means now you know what you don't know, okay? You're 2 years old. Now you're aware that you don't know how to do it. Then mom said, hey, I'm going to teach you how to do this. You take one string like this, take one string like this, go around the ears here and go in. So what we're doing now, this is called conscious competence. Because now when you try to tie your shoes, you fail, right? You remember that? You're like, I can't do it. I can't do it, mama. It's not working. Mama, you do it, right? Well, like we all go through that process, and some of you are going through that process as an adult. But listen, this is the key ingredient. This is why the entire world still can tie their shoes, okay? Because the child keeps going, okay? Irregardless of the pain or the frustration. And let me tell you why the children they keep trying, because they see their peers, they see their other friends tying their shoes. So based off of their peer group, it's called conformity, right? And that child starts to conform to the peer group, which motivates him or her to tie the shoe. And listen, it's not because the child is smart. It's not because the child is intelligent. It's not because the child grew up in a rich family or poor family. It's just a mere fact that the child understood that if he goes through the process repeatedly, right? Repetition is the mother of skill. Eventually, he or she will become unconscious competent, where you do the things automatically. Do you get it? Smash the like button. Hey, I'm done here. Hey, listen, if you want access to this is my stuff, okay? The most powerful meditation to manifest whatever you want, to be able to leave your job this year, to be able to travel around the world, to be able to take care of your parents, to be able to buy the jewelry, to be able to shop like you want, to be able to buy the cars, to be able to have the life that you deserve to have. Under the link below, under this video here, I'll leave a link, okay? It's called the Genius Script. I go deeper into how the mind works. So listen, before you can manifest anything in your life, you must understand how your mind works, okay? You got to understand how if you don't understand how your brain works, then you'll never be able to take an idea consistently and manifest the physical reality. I'm really good at that. That's what I do. Look, I don't have a degree, okay? I'm not even that smart. But one thing I do understand is the mind. One thing I do understand is how to teach people like you, doesn't matter your situation, in the link below, how to take something that's in your mind and make it physical. Hey, this is Wesley. $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.